You don't understand. Elizabeth was about to ask me to go on a trip with her. Is that taking it slow? I'm not ready for this, okay? Well, what do I tell her?
Just tell her the truth. Tell her you're not ready.
I could do that. Well, what if she gets upset?
Then you distract her with a Barbie doll.
Or you could just, you know...
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell am I doing? You just broke my fridge!
What? How do you know it's even broken?
Oh, you think I don't know what breaks my fridge? Excuse me. Well, what do you know? Broken. That'll be $400.
Joey, I saw you push him.
You pushed him.
Joey, I did not break this, okay? That has been broken for a while.
Chandler, remember I told you about our fridge?
Uh-huh.
I still haven't gotten the check for your half yet.
Do not give him any money.
I'm not talking to you. You broke my fridge.
You wanted to see me, Professor Geller?
Yes, please come in.